Judge, this is the case, Mr. Wilson.
Okay, thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Wilson.
Welcome back to the channel. Today's case is a textbook showdown over child support, income changes, and a no-show parent. Mr. Wilson once worked a steady city job, but now runs his own tow truck business and claims his income has dropped dramatically. He's hoping the court will reduce his monthly payments. But here's the twist. His ex didn't even show up, and that decision may cost her big. Stick around because the judge is about to deliver a masterclass in how child support really works when someone is self-employed.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here today to request that the court reduce my child support that I currently pay my ex-wife. Currently, I pay $800 a month, but up until last year, I worked for the city, and now I'm currently self-employed, and I make considerably less money. So I was requesting that my child support be lowered to reflect that.
Right here, the tension spikes. Mrs. White had legal notice to appear, but chose not to. Under Texas law, that doesn't stop the hearing. The judge can still rule based on Mr. Wilson's evidence. What do you think? Was skipping court a tactical move or a costly mistake? This moment shows how critical it is to show up, especially when money and custody issues are on the line.
Before we go any further, where is Mrs. White?
I don't know.
You sent her notice that she was supposed to be here today, right?
Yes, she was served.
Okay. So, I guess she didn't understand how serious this was today. All right. So, you said that you used to work for the city.
Yes.
And now you're self-employed.
Yes, I am.
And what do you do self-employed?
I own a tow truck business company.
Okay. Are you making more money or less money now?
I'm making less money. I have a lot more expenses being self-employed, but I make less money.
All right. All right. So
Watch how the judge drills down into the numbers. She's comparing W-2 income to 1099 self-employment receipts, looking at health insurance credits, and calculating net income with laser precision. For viewers at home, this is the behind-the-scenes math that sets actual child support amounts, not just vague estimates. How many of you knew the court subtracts only the child's health insurance, not the parents?
based on what you provided to the court, you have some receipts
Yes, I do.
showing what you pay in what daycare expenses. I also see a 1099 here that you have from workers. You have what, 2 employees?
Yes.
Then I'm also seeing a tax return here. Based on this tax return, I have your earnings. It has gone down. It has gone down. I have you at about $3,700 now.
Yes, that's
for
about
gross.
right. I make about $47,000 a year.
All right, so you say you pay $200 a month in health insurance
For him, yes.
and this is for him only, full
Yes.
coverage for only him, not you and him.
Yeah, it's about, with both of us, it's about $450.
Okay, just want to make sure because you don't get any credit for yourself. It's only credit for health insurance for your son. You
Understood.
understand that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so based on that, I have your net and giving you credit for the
Here comes the pivotal ruling. Mr. Wilson's support drops from $800 to about $566 per month. That's a 30% reduction. But the key takeaway? He had to bring concrete proof, tax returns, 1099s, receipts, to convince the court. Without documentation, this outcome would never happen. Do you think the judge struck the right balance here between the child's needs and Wilson's new income?
$200 that you pay in health insurance for your son comes out to about $2,834.23, which would bring your new child support amount to $566.85.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Mr. Wilson, I do appreciate you being here today and being timely. Thank you. I didn't want you to think that just because Mrs. White decided not to show up today for court, that the court could not move forward. Because in Texas courts, once you are served your own notice with a hearing, you have to appear. And if you do not appear, the other side who's bringing the case does still have the opportunity to ask the court for some sort.
This segment is pure courtroom schooling. The judge clarifies that when you're properly served, the case moves on, period. Mrs. White lost her chance to challenge his numbers today. This is your legal reality check. Ignoring court papers doesn't make the problem disappear. It only silences your defense. What's your take? fair rule or too harsh.
Sort of relief. So you're here today asking for your child support to be reduced. You submitted evidence to support your stance. She had the opportunity to be here and contest whatever it was that you submitted in court, your 1099s, your tax return, even some of the receipts that you provided. But it was a missed opportunity for her because she decided not to come to court. So in the future, whenever you need to come back to court, maybe to change your order, life change or something like that, just make sure that you always send notice to that other person, because you are able to still receive some sort of relief although they fail to show up. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything further?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You are dismissed.
And that's the ruling. Mr. Wilson walks out with a lower child support order, while Mrs. White faces the consequences of not appearing. Beyond the drama, this case shows how self-employment changes the child support equation, and how courts reward preparedness but penalize absence. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call? Drop your thoughts below. Hit that like button if you found this breakdown eye-opening. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world courtroom showdowns that reveal how the system really works.